My space guard. This is probably 23 years old. 24 years old. I don't know. It's probably 24, 25 years old. It's pretty old. And the spacers are all, because they are old, breaking. So these parts right here, the end parts that clip on, if you notice on this one, are breaking off, and all of the other ones are broken off. So when I went to see how much new ones cost, I was just like, oh my gosh. They were very, very expensive. So I thought, what can I do to fix this myself? And what I decided to do was just drill holes with my drill right here in here, and I'm just using little zip ties to hold these spacers in place. So now when I go to, put this in the furnace, these spacers are not going to fall out, and they will hold this filter in place. So this is a easy fix. You just need to drill a little hole and put some zip ties to hold these spacers in place, and you're good to go. Okay, so I just stuck my little zip tie in this hole. I have it underneath the spacer, and you get the point. This is kind of difficult to do with one hand, but I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, and then you just pull your zip tie nice and tight, and it holds it in place. So there, I just saved a lot of money by not having to replace all of these. And now I'm putting this back, and the ties don't interfere with anything. Oh, nice clean filter. Great.